In this video I'm going to show you how to get free texture packs in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch 2. First, make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Then scroll down to the marketplace. Select textures and mashups. Then scroll above and select here the magnifying glass. Go to the funnel icon. Go to pack types and then select here textures. Go back and then select here the arrow going down. Scroll all the way down and then select here price low to high. And now everything that is free is being shown first. Unfortunately for the texture packs there are only two free ones. The Minecraft Classic texture pack and the Minecraft texture update. I already own them both, but here we can download them. So if we select one, the Minecraft texture pack, select activate texture pack. Now we are in global resources, and if we go to my packs, select the Minecraft texture pack and then select activate. And now if you go to active, you also see that the Minecraft Classic texture pack is active. So if we go back, we select play, we create a new world or just select one. I'm just going to select one. And now, as you see, the Minecraft texture pack is active. So guys, this is how to get free texture packs in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch 2.